Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina, and if this is your first time tuning in or you're a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. So today, guys, we are in the Habitat for Humanity. Now, I've been here a couple of times, but I also know that they are very popular for their furniture, their home decor, and if you're doing like a renovation or something, they're really good for that. But as you can see, this store have loads of furniture, and so we're just going to look around a little bit, and as usual I will show you guys what I purchased and how I styled it. I was really drawn to these chairs. I actually like the pillows as well. Now they would need like a good washing, but I think they would do perfect for spring and summer. Now I want to say these were more of a rattan finish on the seatings, but they were like 48 bucks, and I think that that was really good for each one of the chairs. Now this dresser was really nice too. The only thing that I didn't like about the dresser were the drawers weren't deep enough, but I guess to compensate for that, it was so many of them. But this was really nice as well. I love the handles on them, and one good thing about that is if you want to change the handles, you can always order some on Amazon and get a different color hardware if that's what you choose. I really like the finish on this armoire too. It was very big and beautiful. The pricing was really good. One thing about this store is like if you are looking for like some fill-in pieces, or if you're just starting off, like this is a good place to kind of start off right here just to see what you can find. But this armoire was very nice in the inside with the shelves and stuff. I could see me putting my purses or something in there, even my perfume, or or even moving out the shelves. You can remove the shelves and put a bar or something and just hang some clothes up. Like, the ideas are so endless with this piece. Let me know what y'all think about this table. Let me know if y'all thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Like the wood, the contrast, the finish, everything was just beautiful and elegant about this table. $799. I thought that was a really good price. It came with a bench, but of course you would have to purchase your own chairs. Even though I need a table, this one is too massive. It was too big to fit in my space. Now, I did fall in love with these wall sconces, but it didn't have a glass in it, so you would have to replace that. They were only $18, so I thought the pricing was good. But you guys let me know, should I go back and get them or not? This one was very pretty as well, but it was $75, so I thought that was pretty pricey for just one wall sconce. After I left Habitat for Humanity, I headed over to the Goodwill that was closer to that area. Y'all already know we can't go nowhere without stopping at Goodwill. This was something that I absolutely needed but did not purchase is a filing cabinet. I have so many papers that really need to be filed and put away in order. What do you guys use? Where do y'all put y'all papers that are important? So when you need them, you can kind of go straight to them and you don't have to look through a million papers just to find one. Goodwill is always the first stop for me when it comes to baskets. I'm always stopping here because their prices are so good. People are always donating really nice baskets. I think I have a couple of baskets I purchased from Target, but baskets can be so expensive, and Goodwill is a very nice starter point if you are a basket lover. When I left out of Goodwill, I ended up stopping into Joannes. If y'all didn't know, Joannes is going out of business. I think some of the stores have already shut down. Most things are like 60, 70, and 80%. So I just kind of looked around at their florals. I didn't really take a look around the whole store. I was kind of in a rush, so kind of ran in and ran out. Okay, guys, so let me show y'all what I picked up. Now, I did not pick up anything from Habitat for Humanity. I didn't really see anything. They did have some nice pieces, just nothing that I wanted to take home. But I did fall in love with those wall scones. So you guys comment down below. Let me know if I should go back. Is it worth it, going back to see if they actually still have them. I really did. They were very pretty. And I didn't end up getting them. Now the ones that I really loved, I would have to buy like the glass. So you guys let me know if it's worth it to go back. I did pick up a couple of things though at Goodwill, and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. So one of the things I picked up, of course, was this wooden bowl. Now, as soon as I walked in the store, this was the first thing I seen was this wooden bowl. This was $3.99. And what I was thinking was I could put this at the front door because I really need like a catch-all bowl, just something simple right there at the front door where I can just kind of throw my keys in. Because now when I come through the door, I just kind of put my keys right there on the windowsill, and I don't want to keep doing that. So I ended up picking up this, and we're gonna put this at the front door as I look at y'all. Okay, guys, the first thing I did was I went in with some watered down antiquing wax. I wasn't looking for like a perfect stain. I did want it to look kind of dark and light in certain places because I was looking for more of a age rustic look. So lastly, I went in with a dark walnut stain around the edges, and I think this gave the piece a whole lot more character. I think this bowl came out really nice. I really like it. You guys let me know what y'all think. Okay, something else I got you guys was this vase. It was $7.99. And I picked it up because of the shape and the size. I'm always looking in the Goodwill store to see if I can find vases, even though they don't match my decor, because of course this is red. I have nothing in my house that's red. It's like an easy fix. So if you see these and you love the shape, you love the size, go ahead and grab it because you can easily spray it or paint it. So we're gonna do an easy DIY just so this can be able to match my decor. Okay, guys, so because this vase was red, I went in with some spray paint just to give it a nice base coat. Okay, these are the colors that I use. I didn't go out and buy anything. I pretty much used what I had on hand. The only thing I did was mix black and brown together just to give the brown a more warmer tone. To blend the colors together, I'm using a damp napkin and I'm taking the brown and the beige and just kind of blending them in together. This technique is very easy. It's really not hard. It's not difficult at all. The only thing you need to do is just continue to blend. If you use too much of one color, just take another color on top of it and just blend it in to your desire. I also forgot to tell you guys that I did add baking soda to my paint just to give it a little bit of texture. These were the florals that I purchased at Joannes. Everything was like 60, 70, and 80% off, but the florals were 60, and I'm going to be using these inside the vase. Hey guys, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, the last thing I picked up, you guys, was this French glaze ceramic piece. Now, I seen this on Pottery Barn, and their smallest one was like $69. Now, we do want our house to look very high end and expensive, but we don't want to pay them kind of prices. This one was $3.99, and I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. It would look very cute with like some little flowers or something inside. The green is going to blend right in with my greenery. This piece is going to look real nice. Okay, guys, this concludes the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. I love talking to you guys. Love the tips. Love the help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss an upcoming video. We're already at 2K. Thank you for all the love and the support. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, don't forget to live in abundance. Peace.